Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, I made a video about the 10 essentials that you need to take with you hiking. And honestly, I want to do the test for myself because I don't always practice what I preach, but I should. And it's always good to know the theory, but you need to do the practical exam as well, right? So let's go. So first of all, I've got a camera already, but that was not on my list, was it? Try sun protection. I've got my sunglasses here. I've got sunscreen. I've also got a little tube of sunscreen with me somewhere. There we go. Sunscreen. I've got a pen for whenever you need it. Some extra hair ties and some tissues in here. I've got my sunglasses case. I always take that with me because I don't want to scratch my sunnies. Snacks. I've got snacks, so sun protection, snacks. All right, so this can go for insulation, another layer. And actually I don't need a jumper today, but I thought I'd bring it anyway because it's winter here in Australia and you never know. All right, I've got my little seat pad. It's not gonna help with my survival, but yeah, I don't know, you never know. Okay, my head torch I left in the car. I've got my emergency shelter, as you can see. Snacks. Extra water. I'm only going for like 4.5 kilometers. Okay, another hat, sun protection. And then more snacks. I've got my notebook because I want to film a few things, and I've got a few things that I want to film about, so I took that with me as well. And then what am I missing? Okay, so I've got a map, but I'm filming with it right now, so I didn't take a topo map with me because I know the area very well. And it's just a small little day hike in a gated park, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. But I did download the map of the walk itself, and I do have my GPS on my phone. All right, so we've got navigation, sun protection, we've got extra food, extra clothes, and extra water. I've got my emergency shelter, first aid kit. Okay, I don't have that with me. Oops. Repair kits. I don't have a knife with me, and I do not carry any duct tape, but then saying that, I don't think that anything is going to break, and the repair kit is really basically for if you're going on a longer hike. Well, I shouldn't say this because I'm going to jinx myself, but yeah, so I didn't bring a repair kit. Okay, stupid me. I should also bring a few band-aids, maybe, you never know, but it's only 4 kilometers and I'm doing a loop, and here we go. Ow. Talking about first aid kit, I think I've just had a splinter. Oh no. Anyway, it's all good. Maybe. Oh shit. Oh, illumination. So I already mentioned that I left my torch in the car. So I did bring that with me, but then before I left, I actually thought, oh, I'm just gonna leave that in the car. All right, so always practice what you preach, guys. And this is actually a really good lesson for me too, because I'm not very good at that. And yeah, I always know the theory, but you know, you should always practice what you preach. So illumination, and then something to start a fire. Yeah, no, I don't have that either. Oh god. All right, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 10. Anyway, I passed, you guys. I passed. And I also leave no trace. Okay, maybe that's the 7, but yeah, that doesn't count, does it? Anyway, this is really this was really just to show you guys how it actually works in practice. And as you can see, it's not always as good as the theory says. So be mindful just before you leave, just check everything, and just, I think a good thing is to create awareness to what you did forget. And for example, right now I know that I never bring a first aid kit because this is the backpack that I always take on hikes. And yeah, I think I'm gonna remember that for next time. I think for me, I'm gonna do this every time I go on a hike, and I'm just gonna, check everything that's in my bag and see that I definitely carry the 10 essential items. All right.